Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
I think it has been a little over a week. Western Togoland. Nkrofa Yesusu say wamo elidi attack no. Wamo defense attack. I think it has been less than a week a second attack na eba. Na answer you better ask no. Subscribe and click the notification bell no. I know any that screen so see we understand latest news be about onsa ebeka. Now, there's a question we are asking. Now it is because of what is going on in Sembibra AC. And now we all know Ghana senior omai yate sebi BBC a yadin say openyi bi obeka say oh as a mejuma no ensi ye nti me resign. It is very difficult in a country like Ghana. So the question we are asking is say the Volta regional minister, will he resign? And that's why Buapayo and the Atenas and the person will be Ashwin Nejuma. It is because of experts, security experts and lawyers in Simbia Wamoka. Now you be reading Semnibia Tremo. You best also read some comment from Ghanaians and Bre Ewa. In someone Krofu way in our air cano. And I hear DBS asem because a lot of people are piling pressure on him to resign. Now, very simple. The entire Krofu air piling pressure on him to resign. They say, one, he's the Volta regional minister. Aside that, no, yeba the regional security board. Yeka regional security board. Not to say, as our region, no, homo security in someone, will not end our tiano. It is here, na security breach be akoso ewo ho. It clearly means say one year we jumaye. Because we be say ade na worker say one year na jumaye. Ade na say if you are a security agency and now you are on top, you are the chairman of a security board in a region, one of your roles, in fact the biggest, and they say over here say basa your security breach be enkoso. But one, what now am a first attack you see Oba bonten be ma warning say second attack here there would be young microphone enye bini. Now your answer here say second attack inside den AC. We are getting more details. Say microphone we no sophisticated. They are extremely sophisticated. That is say a jumani e dey share one no. It's as simple as that. One ye na e ya brochia and ke ni kwan say will be krabe bisa say the regional minister e was say we resigning. Now lawyer BFN ni Kpakpo Samoa Ado na omo a wo mutai City FM say munim no because eba ensem bi sana eya na wakasa especially City FM for program bi a wo moye big issues Saturdays wakasa politics ensem security ensem o trend adwen. Now ni Kpakpo Ado asemo a wo kan say the Volta regional minister must resign. Ne tentini ni tietia mu no. Baba mama ati ase nyo no pe na waka sa de no. Die ntia na ni Kpakpo waka sa. O say one at minimum ne kra no e wo se wo bi ati ase say the Volta regional minister has failed. Asema ni Kpakpo waka no. O say ne kra mu trese e wo say what ase and I've told you because tio Melodies ameti he mejuma ne say asemsi wo Ghana me de bebremo na mababa be comment e wo so na we have that social contract say Melodies the assembly ebesi bia no obeba abontia ba beka na for some time asemsi a member abontin beka am I doing my job well? Yes, me platform and ameti and amede yes about you dey imagine say I am working for an outlet. Imagine say Ebia Melodies TV is an organization omo employ me as a journalist. Say bibi ebesi bia no member ambeka. Na BBC a me journalist member abonten beka. Ofi say den na me boss obeye. Eye wo kran ka den na obeye. Me sure say wa wutie me Ghana ni a wutie me a wo ye ejuma e wa abrochire. Ejuma e de ahye wonsa no say wanya den ye be pame o. As simple as that. Into the lawyer ne can say the tintini ni tietie mu Volta regional minister no we fail Into one resign. Now, it is on his watch that this activity happened. As I'm and I've told you, see, this lawyer is putting things plainly. Plainly. I say it is on his watch that this thing happened. This is a major security failure. Major security failure. Now, we will not say, will be Biara, why are connected with the security architecture in the Volta region, has questions to answer. Because, at minimum, intelligence should have been picked up, and the fact that something like this was going to happen should have been known. You see, one thing about Ghana has a own. We like the post, but as a ejumano eyana yempe, and now say ye post no. Now so omo ayedi omo eto ejumane so no eyana, they have no idea. And I'll give you a vivid example. Now, Oba Ghana Police Force moi. Nipakra police board no or your chairman no. I stand to be corrected. But obia or your police phone in a penny or your board chairman. Ewo police board ne so no. The vice president of the land, who is a politician. Now, the vice president of the land probably knows nothing about police force. There are people in the police force, I mean to me actually say, when we debate 30 good years in the police force, they know the structures of the force, the omunim 80, kosi and 9. But you see, because the vice president has power for just about 8 years in Tino, and now because a particular political party has power for just about 8 years in Tino, omodi omonkro for and omodi omo and now to the security head so. Security is something that will be any experience umwa yemfane nkoye. It is as simple as that. If someone doesn't have any experience in matters relating to security, the person has nothing to do. Any person will koye bibia ewo security in sensemu. And that is the truth. Whether you like it or not, that is the truth. So you see, the way our political structure is in this country, people are given posts even when they don't have background studies on the things they are going to do, and they are made to head those institutions. Politics, obi wo ha, onim bibiafa gold nsensem ho, onim bibiafa company bi ho, onim bibiafa timber ho. Na so esan say ne party ne winning nti, e winning ya na yesi o timber for forestry for board, yemfa ne nkotena so, o gold or mo board, yemfa ne nkotena so. Meanwhile, the person has no experience in that field though, but they don't care about it. And what happens? That's what we are seeing. So what this lawyer is saying, no. So in the first place, security forces were more the intelligence in the year. When amuni also munim, security forces the intelligence in the year. If you are not part of the security force, if you are just a politician, you can't tell me say you know how to get this and not this. I mean, can it this because you can't tell me say you know how to get this intelligence like someone who has been in the force for 30 years. Me amiti hey melodies. A young crofo friend me the asem too many. But won't to mean tell me say boni besi anachrono besi intelligence be ewo ho a won't to mean tell me say I can process it better than ebia Nathan Kofi Boache. Oh no, what a year police force nimu ache. And it's as simple as that. Because on no crano, you nim say police into no information na obenya no me nyemu have even though e bia metin sem e de bremo. But by intelligence this anyama na obenya ejame why because that is his field. Owo mu ache. E bia experience inti even if intelligence cry emba, he knows how to go, where to go to get this intelligence. But these politicians, Can you say the same? No. But surprisingly, these are the politicians, or these are the people, politicians, these are the people who are calling the shots. It will be our no word, Jumanimo, will name a Jumano, one non in such an idem film. Politician now are better now so for just 4 years, no. I didn't obey your boss, no. Or no, I walk and say, oh, Munye way. And you see, in these security forces, no, you work based on command. If someone is higher than you, he gives a command, you do it. You don't complain. Meanwhile, the person who is higher than you, you have experience than him. Into kind of say you where? How will you complain because of that? You can't. You transfer. So these are the things people are saying. And especially, and Grofoso can't say assembly see and Western Togoland for Continental TV. So, Ebo Papa waiting. Say Embrebi Chemu, he was a financier, but Papa na Babontin say a intro. Na San Grofono mo cancer and what the mobile court. Ononi or Moasem. That's what the people said. We don't have any evidence. And Brandon Grofoneka last time me reported Chemu na me say for me no in Grofono me who say wo mu chantro. Until say wo mo the evidence ebeba. Na ye nya ye hu say ye ne kre. Omo ka say papa ne say wo ye be ma wo mbra Bontin beka say ye intro, they will bring evidence. Papa na ba Bontin beka say ye intro. Still the people have not brought any evidence. So for me, I stand by what I initially said. Say Nkrofo intro no mu twa to papa ne so. What you say? But ni the fact say wo mo say wo mo ntumi angada intelligence e masa de we esi ye no e wo say papa no wo resign ba ye ni enim Ghana resignation there forget it yanto ya dream e wo resignation you but won try wa your comment box ni mo me da say